Hello everybody, this is my first Yugi video, or pack opening I guess I could say. Today I'm going to be opening the Yu-Gi-Oh! Structure deck Legend of the Crystal Beast. I think it is the most recent one that has come out to the public. I just wanted to open it up because I've been buying so many of these that might as well share it with everybody. And these came out a while ago, so you're probably used to seeing pack openings of these, but I wanted to give it a try. So it comes with a playing mat, as all structure decks do, and here are the cards. I guess kind of look through this. I want to see this little playing mat. That's really pretty. For playing mats, damn, this is beautiful. So here's Rainbow Dragon himself. Beautiful card. This is such a beautiful card. I love him. We're gonna go next with Ultimate Crystal Rainbow Dragon Overdrive. Alright, next we have Crystal Beast Rainbow Dragon. You can special summon this from the hand if an attack is being made to one of your Crystal Beast monsters. This is sick. This is Rainbow Bridge of the Heart. Next up we have my favorite card in this whole set, not because of what it does, but because of the art, Crystal Bond. But I just think this is such a beautiful, beautiful card. And it lets you add a Crystal Beast from deck to hand. Now we have Rainbow Overdragon. This is so cool. Some tokens, Jesse Anderson, Bondra with the Crystal Beast. Alright, next. Jessie and Ruby! Oh, this one's so cute too. And now we start with all the commons. Starting with Ruby Carbuncle herself, the cutest Crystal Beast in my opinion. Crystal Beast Amethyst Cat, another beauty, the Queen. Crystal Beast Emerald Tortoise. So cool, very awesome, very beautiful. Crystal Beast Topaz Tiger. Ooh! From all of the GX voices, Crystal Beast Amber Mammoth has to be my favorite.
Hasta la vista, baby!
Crystal Beast Cobalt Eagle. Lovely guy, super cool. Crystal Beast Sapphire Pegasus, classic. Everybody loves Miss Pegasus. And she also probably has one of the best effects out of all of them. Rainbow Dark Dragon, 4,000 attack. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm gonna skip through these pendulums because I don't really work with pendulums. I'm probably gonna take them out. I know they might be useful, but bye. Hamon, Lord of the Striking Thunder, Mr. Ham. We love Mr. Ham. Oh, some hand traps, Dimension Shifter, Contact C, very cool. And of course, what everybody's been looking forward to, Ash Blossom and Joyous Spring. I am very glad they added some hand traps to this deck because I feel like, I don't know, a lot of structure decks aren't really holding up to being able to beat anyone with just like right out of the box opening. So I think putting some hand traps in the newer structure decks is really going to help just be able to make very powerful decks to begin with. And if you want a cheap Ash Blossom, just buy this pack. And another hand trap, Ghost Bell and Haunted Mansion. I love this card, it's beautiful. Awakening of the Crystal Ultimates. Crystal Aegis or Crystal Aegis, I'm really not sure. Ancient City Rainbow Ruins, I love this card. I play the Speed Duel deck for Jessie, and this is in that deck. It is not so useful for Speed Duels because this card gains effects the more you have Crystal Beasts, and with Speed Duels you don't really get to have that many cards on the field, so I think it's way more useful in a full deck like this one. Rainbow Bridge, a beautiful card. I'm gonna probably have all 3 cards in this because it's a absolute awesome card. Add 1 crystal spell or trap card from deck to hand. Fire. Crystal Blessing. Crystal Beacon, Crystal Abundance, Crystal Promise. I love Crystal Promise. You can target Crystal Beast card in spell or trap zone and special summon it in case you need to free up some space. Crystal Tree has to do with counters, I believe. Crystal Release, awesome card. Rare value. I absolutely love the art of this. I love the art of this so much. And it's a really fun card. It's pretty much like a Pot of Greed, but for Crystal Beasts. Rainbow Refraction, Advanced Star. The Melody of Awakening Dragon, great way to get some of those OP dragon monsters. Foolish Burial Goods, a classic, Cosmic Cyclone, Crystal Boon, Crystal Brilliance, Crystal Pear, Enclave. Ooh, the party. It's a party in this card. What does this one do? Once per turn, if a face-up Crystal Beast. Ultimate Crystal Magic. I think this card's really good, or if I remember correctly. When your Crystal Beast monster is destroyed by battle, you can send 7 Crystal Beast cards with different names from your hand, deck, and or face-up field to the graveyard and special summon 1 Ultimate Crystal Fusion monster from your extra deck. Counter Gem. Ferret Flames. I really like this card, Ferret Flames. The OP Metaverse. This card is too good. Target 1 field spell from your deck and either activate it or add it to your hand. So this will help us get that Ancient Ruin card as well. We get 1 more token, Crystal Beast token with all the crystals. And so that is it. This has been my little first pack opening ever with all the Crystal Beast cards, which I am so excited about. This is such a cool structure deck. Probably one of my favorites. I'm not gonna say my favorite, but it's super cool. It has an Ash Blossom in there. Yeah, I really love this deck. I hope you like this video. I hope you learned some new, and if you didn't, I hope you just liked watching me go through cards because I enjoyed it very much. I love Yu-Gi-Oh! I'm so glad I get the opportunity to even show anyone how wonderful this game is and how fun it is and how much it can bring people together. And the nostalgia is back. I feel like a lot of us need a lot of this old nostalgia back into our lives because we've just been going through it. So I'm glad I can share some of my loves with you guys. So if you like this video, I will probably be making more, doing more pack openings. Maybe in the future even giving away some cards because I feel like I'm gonna have too many cards and not enough to do with. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!